Hi, hello, welcome to my channel Teach with Talks 123. Today's social science 10th standard, most important questions and answers for the board exam. This is a continuation blog. Please, those who are not subscribe my channel, subscribe, please like and share. Most important blog, continuation blog. Please join my Telegram channel Teach with Talks 123. Teach with Talks 123. See, if you join these Telegram channels, you can utilize to PDFs. I'll send to in that Telegram channels through the PDFs. See, today's class, most important acts for 10th standard. I'll choose in this video the first semester and second semester textbook also, which were the important acts to. This is the most important for 1 mark MCQs and 1 mark question answers. So you can utilize these acts to write while writing in the 4 marks and 3 marks question answers also. See, first one, Women Violence Protection Domestic Act 2005. They implemented this Women Violence Protection Domestic Act. Now another one second. The year is, see here, the year is very important. They'll ask act in the which year that act implemented in the government. They'll ask like that. You can utilize. See, 2005. Prohibition of Sexual Harassment of Women Working Place Act to brought in the year in the 2013. The 13. Now another one, Regulating Act implemented by in the year 1773. Warren Hastings implemented. He was a British Governor General in that time implemented. What purpose he implemented? To enforce the control. Now again Fits India Act implemented to. What were the corrections are there in the Regulating Act? For that purpose, the Fits India Act came to India 1784. ಸಿ ಕೆಲವೊಂದು ಲೋಪದೋಷಗಳಿರುತ್ತೆ ರೆಗ್ಯುಲೇಟಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಸರಿಪಡಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರ ಬ್ರಿಟಿಷ್ ಸರ್ಕಾರ ಫಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟನ್ನು 1784ರಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾರಿಗೆ ತರ್ತಾರೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ 1894. ಆ್ಯಂಟಿ ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾರೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಿವೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ 1894. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ 2005. ರೈಟ್ ಟು ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ 2009. Now another one, Transgender Minority Protection Act came to into force 2019. Untouchability Crime Acts 1955. Now this was again they brought changes. Untouchability Crime Act implemented 1955. Again that is the word we should not use. That's why Citizens Right to Protection Act came to 1976. Now, Equal Wages to Equal Payment. Equal Wages Act came to, see, 1976. So, Rowlatt Act came to India 1919. See, they sent, British government sent to an act to Rowlatt Act. What about the Rowlatt Act? You can comment on the comment box the answer. What purpose the British government sent to Rowlatt Act in India? Next, Child Labour Protection Act. Act came to force in the year 1986. Which articles to gives to details about child labor? You can comment on this answer for in comment box. Which article gives to details about the constitution article? See article, which article, ಯಾವ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ ಬಾಲಕಾರ್ಮಿಕರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸುತ್ತದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ ಆನ್ಸರು. ಚೈಲ್ಡ್ ಲೇಬರ್ ಎರಾಡಿಕೇಶನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರಿಹ್ಯಾಬಿಲೇಷನ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಇನ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ 2006. ನಾವು ಫೋಕ್ಸೋ, ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇ ಲಾಸ್ಕ್ ಫುಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್? ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ದ ಸೆಕ್ಷುಯಲ್ ಅಫೆನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್. ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಫೋರ್ಸ್ 19th June 2012. 16th Child Marriage Protection Act came to in the year 2006. Now Protection of Dowry Act, ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣಾ ನಿಷೇಧ ಕಾಯ್ದೆ. ದೌರಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಅಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ. ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮದುವೆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಗಂಡನ ಕಡೆಯವರಿಗೆ ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ ಕೊಡೋದು ಅಂದರೆ ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ. ವಧು ಮತ್ತು ವರದಕ್ಷಿಣೆ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಡೌರಿ ಸಿಸ್ಟಮ್. The gift want to give to like a jewelry, site, property, cars, this like they want to give to this act. This was a now punishable offense in the society. This act came to India. In India, the constitution brought, it was an offense. 1961 they brought Protection of Prenatal Gender Discrimination Test Act. See protection. Now before it was which baby they want to, first only they are checking for that. Now it was offense. Protection of Prenatal Gender Discrimination Test Act came to in the year 1994. The Consumers Protection Act came to in the year 1986. Every year the World Consumers Day celebrated, see, March 15th ವರ್ಲ್ಡ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮರ್ಸ್ ಡೇ, ವಿಶ್ವ ಗ್ರಾಹಕರ ದಿನಾಚರಣೆಯನ್ನು ಪ್ರತಿ ವರ್ಷ ಮಾರ್ಚ್ 15ರಂದು ಆಚರಣೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂತು ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಗವರ್ನಮೆಂಟ್ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟ್ ಕೇಮ್ ಟು ಇನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ 1935. ದಿಸ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಅವರ್ ಇಂಡಿಯನ್ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಷನ್ and establishment of also RBI 1935 and April 1st the establishment of the RBI April 1st and another one April 1935. It was the most important act to establishment of Indian Government Act. Here, see, these are the important acts to related to for 10th standard. Most important, any one or two questions it will come in this video. Utilize this video to get in one video only for all the acts, important acts, to utilize this acts to very one more question is also very important for scoring purpose. So you can raise these acts to while writing in the, for example, which were the constitutional measures to child labor. Means you can utilize this, the Child Labor Protection Act control came to in 1986, the which article gives to details about the article 24 gives to details about the child labor. You can utilize like that also. Please, those who are not seeing like that only without subscribe, please subscribe my channel, like and share, utilize this video for. Thank you.